Episode 10. All right, let's do this. Welcome to episode 10. I was going to say something, but I really have nothing to say. Stay tuned to the end of the video. See if you were featured. The winners are going to get custom guns built by us. And if you weren't featured, suck it up, Buttercup. There's season 2. Why is there season 2, Boz?
That's what they want.
I thought this was the finale. I thought episode 10 was gonna be the end.
That's what the fans want. Hey, where's the eye candy, by the way?
There is no eye candy.
Come on, man.
Let's just get into it.
All right.
Our first victim of the day is, I don't even know how to say his name. He has, I believe that is a Walther PPQ with some type of German stock. It's in the description. With what looks to be a G36 top rail, some type of red dot. It looks like he has 3 different colors going on. There are better carbine kits on the market, like dedicated ones. You had to be unique and go with the PPQ, huh? Because nobody likes the PPQ. Even PPQ owners don't like the PPQ. And you just had to be the guy that tried to make it cool. But it didn't work. Sorry. Our next victim is actually something nice. I'm having a little bit of hope, guys. The humble Cowboy Texas sends in his custom URGI M4 with, I'm not sure what type of rail panels those are, but it's obviously M-Lock. A PEC box, night style, iron sights, an EOTech, a PMAG, probably the Lancer Waffle Mag. Actually, it looks more like a PMAG. Don't know where you got that. And then a replica of what looks to be the Surefire suppressor, which is actually very nice, my friend. Congratulations, you win the title of first male of the day. Our third victim of the day is Bert, like Bert. Boy, B-O-I. And honestly, I really don't know how to feel about this submission. He took the Spring Sig MPX and did what everyone in the office has been talking about. He HPA'd it. He 3D printed a custom trigger and used an M4 barrel, and it is now a piece of garbage. You had to HPA it, didn't you? You couldn't retrofit a gearbox in there? I know you can't, but you had to do it, didn't you? Well, congratulations, you're a degenerate, like every other Speed QB guy. Not really, not really. Kevin's here. He's the biggest degenerate.
Wow, man.
Sorry.
Not sorry.
Our fourth victim was actually sent by the Airsoft gods. Myers Tucker from Quebec, Canada, sends in his Zenitco styled AK-74. Of course, it has the stock, the pistol grip, the charging handle, the compensator, the grip, both the top and bottom rail. And I'm not sure what optic that is, but I'm fairly sure it is kosher to the gun. Sorry, I'm not that AK savvy. But this is mighty tasty. Something a Canadian delivered to us. This isn't Canada, right, guys? I'm not saying.
Bruh. I think it's Canada.
Anyways, congratulations for your AK. Something different. Something not too different, because everybody does Zenitco style stuff. So you're probably like one in maybe like 1,000 airsofters that did it. I mean, it's still better than the 1 in 8 million M4 owners, right? So congrats, you're a little unique. We're gonna need that 30-minute rant on how much you hate anime, Boaz, because this is literally degeneracy in its greatest form. Why? The PKM is already expensive, guys. Do you not realize this right here is literally like running out of toilet paper, and then like, oh, I have an idea, and take your wallet out and start using $100 bills to wipe your butt. You turned it into trash. And then what's up with that 3-foot-long suppressor? Are you compensating?
Yes. Yes, you are.
Let me take a look. I want to take a look. Why?
Oh, dude, and it has an M4 stock on it?
I didn't even notice that.
Are you kidding me?
I couldn't look past the paint.
Oh my. And the IAG, is this the IAGO face or whatever it's called on the mag, the box mat?
Degeneracy in its finest form.
That it's worth.
I'm sorry, Boaz, that you had to suffer through that.
I have to like stare at this for like an hour because I have to edit this damn thing.
Our next victim is ChurchActual. And thank goodness for your soul, because you have been sent by the Airsoft gods. We need more of you. You have a custom GHK M4 cloned as your real SBR. You have what looks to be the CMR, or CRM, I'm sorry, Midwest Industries rail with the chopped BCM hand stop. Looks to be a K2 grip on there. SOTMOD stock. Looks to be a Surefire flashlight and an EOTech. And from what I see, maybe Knight's Armament iron sights. This, oh, Streamlight. It says it right here in the description. I'm sorry, I'm dyslexic. You have made something nice. And unfortunately, I can't show the picture that you included with your real firearm because airsoft. But this is simple yet elegant. Very tasty, very classy, minimalist, but gets the job done. Congratulations on Extra Mayo. We've received so many submissions for the Roast My Build series, and I've seen so many Mayo builds that I haven't even exhaled, chuckled. You know, like when you see a meme and it's kind of funny and you go, no, I didn't even do that. These are ones that I've seen that I couldn't even take a second glance at just because of how basic they were. Roll the montage. Our next victim is not a victim. Another blessing from the Airsoft gods. That's 2 in a row. I'm impressed. From Sao Paulo, Brazil. This is Brazil!
This is Brazil.
Airsoft Lab sends us his custom Black Rain Ordnance M4. But it's completely redone. He now has the Terran Tactical TR1 replica receivers on there. I'm not sure where you got that from, but very nice. And then he's using the Ares M45 gearbox. I'm sorry, but I really don't like, I can't say I really don't like, but I prefer other gearboxes. And then it looks like you have a Retroarms gearbox with a Jeftron Leviathan that you're building from the ground up. So I can't wait for you to finish that. Overall, it looks very nice. It looks like you have the BCM style stock, a 1 to 5 times short dot, and the Magpul M-Lock angled vertical grip. Very tasteful. Oh, and you're using EPMs. Of course you are. Everybody uses EPMs. This is actually not that bad. It's like mayo, and then you drizzled a little sriracha in there. So a little bit of spicy mayo. I think that might be the first. Congratulations. All right, you guys, our next submission, and I have to say submission because they have been sent by the Airsoft gods. That's 3 in a row. Why are you guys playing with my heartstrings? I know what's gonna come up. Anyways, one Legion UK Pegasus sends his TM 416D, and I believe this is going to be a recoil shock. But he's accessorized it with PTS furniture, the stock, pistol grip, and some EPM mags. He has the Magpul AFG2. I'm not sure what flashlight that is. And then he also has some type of pet box as well. And some weird mock suppressor with some hexagonal pattern. It doesn't really look like the Knight's Armament style, but I'm gonna let that one slide because he's using a Vortex holographic sight and a Vortex mini 3x magnifier. Wow. You know mayo comes in different flavors. The 416D is very nice, but I'm not sure what he mixed in there. Maybe a little soy sauce to make it a little brown? Not sure, but it's mayo nonetheless. Very tasty mayo. I am not really sure how I feel about this. Killian K07A1 submitted a custom AK that he turned into a crossbow. Says a custom built gearbox to shoot 330 FPS. The base is a SU. It says SUR base AK. It looks like any generic AK to me, but he did some woodwork and made it look like a crossbow. Why? What's the point of this? You did so much work when you could have just gotten one of those Nerf archery sets and taken it to the field. And I'm fairly sure the field would have allowed. I'm literally holding back vomit right now. What was the point?
It looks so medieval.
Of course, he'd give it a compliment.
Kind of like it. It's cool.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Props. Props.
Disgusting.
Creativity at its finest.
Your hands are really soft, by the way.
Thank you.
Cypher Airsoft. They submitted their SVD with some weird stock, a Zenit Co. pistol grip, a Troy Industries rail, some weird suppressor, and what the hell is that scope? It's a night vision scope. It's bigger than the gun. I hope this is real. I hope you take this to the field. No, I don't want to say I hope it gets shot out because that would just be thousands of dollars down the drain. But it's going to happen because you made the dumb decision to put that on an airsoft gun. How big that lens is. What's the point? Why did you do this? I can't fathom. Your caption says overkill is certainly underrated. It really is. Until it gets shot out. Go ahead, Blaz.
Okay, come on, man. Like, the SVD looks cool though. You gotta give it props. Come on, it looks nice.
It's alright.
Scope, the rail's cool. The stock is cool.
Look how fucking horrendous that scope is. Look how big it is.
I mean, I'm sure it's kosher. I'm sure somewhere there's some photo of some FSB boy running this or something. I'm sure there is.
Probably. But did it really need to be recreated in airsoft?
I mean, I hope your scope has a warranty. I hope it has a lifetime warranty. Some night vision companies do offer warranties.
Well, as you're doing nothing for me, leave.
I mean, okay. Real talk though, I mean, I have mounted night vision scopes onto my airsoft.
Oh, you're a degenerate like him. Goodbye.
No.
Goodbye.
PVS 14.
Be gone, demon. Actually, it's pretty cool.
See, I was right.
3-inch Uzi. They took their double bell Glock 17 and vinyl wrapped it. Again, the Glock is somewhat a sacred thing in airsoft. There are not too many manufacturers. It's kind of hard to get your hands on one that isn't the officially licensed Elite Force one, which you should be getting, by the way. But anyways, you had to destroy it by putting white vinyl on it, and then the slide. You have some type of creature on there and a flower, and it says Demon Boy. Oh, this is demonic, all right. I know a lot of you build these just to piss me off. And then all you low effort, no energy guys that threw something together with some tape. Yeah, this montage is for you. Our next victim is XX Prime 717XX. I believe you submitted a build before, so thank you for submitting a second time. I'm not sure what you did the first time, but this one is your Scar H, which is a gas blowback rifle. You have what looks to be a T1 or T2 style optic, a Tango down vertical grip, and a pack box. Very, very minimalist. You have the standard rear iron sight, and then of course the flip up front sight is built into the gas block. But I think you spent all your money on the 6 extra magazines. I'm not sure who the base is. This might be WE or maybe VFC. Comment below, because if you got the VFC, cool. Anyways, it looks like you did clip a little bit of your foot in there. So you're probably from Reddit. And overall, simple. But mayo, again, comes in different flavors. And you're a part of the mayo game. Our next victim is Mike Usher. And with this, I will say, just quit Airsoft and join paintball. Because you took your G&G, I think it might have been an ARP 5.56, and literally turned it into a paintball gun. You did that ugly pistol grip tank adapter that Kevin has.
Wait, hold on.
And you did the carbon fiber barrel wrap.
Hold on.
Purple external. Look at it. He's gonna say he loves it.
Wow. Magnifique. The ergonomics.
Just
Even a clean back cap for
like,
battery space.
I will say, our next. I can't even look at this. Kevin, you look at that. I'm leaving, Boaz.
Are you sure you want me to do
Wait,
this?
come back. No, he's now
Alright,
he's just gonna
guess I-
dislike everything that he.
Okay, hold on. If this is actually what I think it is, okay, it looks like slap R together, slap together a fully functional Polar Star jack inside of a paintball gun, marker and everything. You, my friend, you are an Imagineer. You are the Thomas Edison of airsoft. The I'm running out of people.
Okay, I
Tesla.
I can't
the
take-
Elon
I can't
Musk
take- Get out of here!
of airsoft.
Get out of here! Leave!
Call the police.
Go away! Go away!
Call the police. Someone call the cops.
Fortunately, Cisco is doing some breathing exercises across the room, so I'm gonna have to take over real quick. What do we have here? Airsoft blog _ CDC. Ooh, is this a Masada? PTS Masada. Ooh, that's tasty. We don't see those too often nowadays because PTS Masadas are discontinued, I think, for the AGs at least. Yeah, this is nice. I mean, you know, stock handguard. Personally, for me, I would have replaced it with, I believe WeTech makes like their M-Lock-ish spec, which I think looks cooler. But you got that. I think that's the Vulcan red dot, like their wannabe T1. It looks all right. I mean, it matches the Call of Duty FE. You got the Pec box, Embus sight, suppressor, and the Lancer mags. I love the Mad Bull Lancer mags. Those are actually really good. I used to run that all the time when I used to run regular AEGs. And you got the nice 6-position stock, and you got the paracord 2-point sling. So not only are you running a 2-point sling, which I think a lot more players should start running nowadays, it's also paracord wrapped, which I think is just as tasty. And you took it in front of this these bushes of flowers, I guess, for the aesthetic, I suppose. But very tasty. You know what? This is not mayo at all. I think this is probably the first time in a very long time where it's not an M4 or not an AK that looks nice. This is original. You, Cisco, come back. Come
What are
back.
you talking about? Let me see
Come here.
this.
Come here. Look at this. This is good. Look at this. It's nice. Right?
Mayo.
How is it mayo?
Mayo.
How is it mayo?
It's mayo.
How many ACRs?
maybe.
How many?
It can be an aioli.
An aioli. That's right. That's right. It's fancier. It's,
Kevin?
Not yet mayo, but no.
I really don't know how to feel.
Here, let me take a look at it.
I want both you and Kevin to take a look at this.
Am I allowed back in?
For the time being.
Hey, that's pretty cool. It's straight up the it's a plasma blaster.
Yeah.
He has a drinking horn, which is
That's pretty cool.
it's pretty metal. I like that. Yeah, he just like fully integrated the USP in there, painted it that green to make it blend in.
Did he keep the HK trademarks?
Maybe he did, but I think that looks pretty sick. Not gonna lie.
I don't know how to feel.
I like it.
I mean, didn't some company make the Halo assault rifle anyway? Like if you run this and the assault rifle too, that's legit.
You have a homemade drop stock. At least I believe it's homemade. But it's mounted upside down. With the reverse Uno card on top of it. Right underneath that you have a Polar Star battery. Going into the grip, you painted it for some reason. The receiver looks normal. Above the gun, you have a +4 wild card. I think that's for the 3 iron sights. It looks like there's one in the middle that's missing one. So, oh no, actually you have the red dot mounted all the way at the front of the rail. And then on the side, it looks like you have one of those pet laser pointers zip tied on there. A flashlight mounted backwards, so it's lighting up the entire gun. A hand stop. There is, I'm not sure what that card is. I think that's a skip card right there. And it's an ARP9, but you still have the G&G thermal mag there. On top of that, you have both of your feet. The left foot in a sock with holes. And the right foot with the big toe painted red.
I think the painted toenail is what makes this picture top notch.
I want to cry.
I hope Kevin gets nothing but feet pics in his DMs for the rest of the year.
At Union Virus.
At Universe.
Please don't.
Send him your feet
Send him
pics.
all your
please.
feet pics.
Cut
Do
it.
it. Boaz hasn't seen this picture yet.
Please enjoy.
I hope he strangles me after this.
The hell is this? Why are there so many feet? Of course, you'd put the M4 mag adapter on your high cap, but like, why would you not?
Let me dissect this for you.
And then you got the.
Let me dissect this for you. So this is Kevin's custom high capo that he spent like $800 or so. Right? He puts the tapped Airsoft M4 HPA mag adapter. The accessory rail, he has the Bravo pistol grip, not pistol grip, but vertical grip
Support
flashlight.
with the integrated flashlight.
Yeah,
And
like
he has
the
that
old Gucci one.
stupid AK suppressor on there.
On top of that, there are 2 feet in this picture, on opposite ends of the picture, which tells me they're both right feet. So there's an accomplice in this.
Hold on.
You know,
I have some video to show too of it in action.
run this on a field cap, and like, I dare you, like, run it the way it is right here. Run it, because you won't. Like, a lot of you people out here that put a bunch of stuff just to piss the daddy off, I 1000% guarantee you guys do not run them on, like, show us videos. You know, clips, or it's not real. And second of all, you know, at Union Virus, DM him all your feet pics.
And the moment you guys have been waiting for, because I'm some freaking piggy bank to you guys, the free stuff. The winner of the worst build is going to be Scaresofter. Why are we he doesn't deserve this. He deserves to burn.
Okay, but he needs it.
You're right, he does need this. So, you won a custom built M4A1 by me. You need a little bit more mayo in your life, something that'll work. This has been built internally to the nines. I'll include a list of the parts in your package, so make sure you check your DM so I can get your address and stuff. Even though I don't think you deserve it, you are the winner. Congratulations. Because you need to throw that in the trash. I don't know what the hell that is. That's just disgusting. And the best build of today's video is going to be Airsoft Blog CDC. Congratulations. Your garlic aioli PTS masala is very tasty, very nice. You have truly been blessed by the Airsoft gods. And your prize is to forever be cursed with this cursed gun. Deploy! Just so you know, all of these accessories have been JB welded onto here. So you will forever be cursed. What? Do you think that the good should be rewarded and the bad be punished? Oh no, my friends. What we do here is much more important. We restore balance to the force. If good goes out, evil must go out. And the blessed will be cursed, and the cursed will be blessed. All right, you guys, it took a long time, but we are finally done with episode 10, which means season 1 is finally over. Everyone that wants to participate in season 2, Boaz, why is there season 2? Why? I can't keep doing this. I'm out of meds. The doctor won't see me anymore. He says I'm too much of a pain in the ass. Just why? Just counseling. Okay. If you guys want to participate in season 2, we will be announcing when you can submit your builds. Thank you to everyone who has participated in season 1. We literally couldn't do this series without your guys' support. So make sure you guys Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and comment what was your favorite build and what was the worst build. Make sure you take a close look at the montage because you might have been featured. For those who weren't featured, try harder. Make sure you guys subscribe to us. We upload every Wednesdays and Fridays, and I hope I don't see you next time.